Good morning. Here at Tile Merchant we have the levelling system pedestal systems for laying 20mm porcelain on roof terraces. This allows them to be free laid so that they can be lifted at any point, and also allows the natural joints to stay open, which allows drainage, the natural drainage of the roof, to be kept in play. You have your base plate here, you have your adjustable sitting plate here, which screw in like so. And that fits into the center there, and that can be adjusted up and down slightly to create your levels or falls, whichever may be required. You have a rubber shim and then your joints, which you put in your spacers like so. And basically that's it. So those will create your spacer joints for each of your tiles. So you'll have 4 tiles meeting in the joint here. If you have larger format tiles, you will take these off and that would sit in the center. So the center of the tile would sit flat like that to give more support. And that's it basically. Thank you.